Hey everybody, welcome to today's market review video for May 16th, 2018. My name is John and this video is coming to you from the Crypto Bay in Lisbon, Portugal. So guys, today is the third day of consensus in New York and the markets haven't been responding great to the event. So historically speaking, we've seen huge rallies on the day of consensus, but this time, there hasn't been much reaction. The markets have been very choppy with some big upswings and big downswings here and there. It's not for a lack of good news because the headlines have constantly been coming out with big partnerships and big news. So the least to be said is the markets are a bit strange. So even looking at the last couple of days, we've seen huge drops. On the left, we have the daily chart. On the right, we have the 1 minute chart. So if we focus on the 1 minute chart for the moment, we can show you what's going on today. Earlier on in the day, about 11 a.m. UTC, the markets were moving sideways, almost flat. And out of nowhere, on huge volume, we seen the price jump about 200 in USD. From there, the markets were a bit choppy, hard to tell which way it was going to go. But then a few hours later, we did see a huge drop and trading sideways for the rest of the day. So it's hard to say, guys. Really, normally when consensus has taken place, the markets take off like a rocket. But with the good news headlines and consensus, it doesn't really seem a good sign that the markets are not reacting positively. Some of the big news lines is the CEO of BitMEX, Arthur Hayes, is in the news making big predictions for Bitcoin. He forecast that Bitcoin could reach 50,000 by the end of the year. He also said with this prediction though that his job is to make predictions and it doesn't really matter if he's right or wrong. For this reason, I think really you should just write off this prediction. For those of you who aren't familiar with BitMEX, it is an exchange based in Hong Kong, which mainly has retail traders. One of its biggest offerings is that people can trade on 100x leverage. So you can do really high risk trades on this exchange. Some of the overall market news, the market cap is down to 378 billion. We have volume at 22.2. So that's surprisingly low volume for such events taking place. And Bitcoin dominance is at 37.3%, showing that most of the losses are coming out of the altcoin markets. There's only a handful of coins which are in the green, maybe 2 or 3. Every other coin showing huge losses. We also have the audit results of the South Korean exchange Upbit. For those of you who don't know, the other day Upbit was raided by government officials in South Korea, but they've confirmed that it's all in the clear and there's no fraudulent transactions taking place. Also yesterday, Coinbase announced that it's going to be offering a suite of institutional products coming out. Obviously, this is in anticipation of institutions coming into the market, and really this is only a matter of time. Some of the products which Coinbase are going to be offering are custody, some pools of liquidity, and they're also going to be offering further marketing and trading tools to these institutional investors. We also have, also related to institutions, is Europe's 9th largest stock exchange and Germany's 2nd largest stock exchange are introducing crypto trading. So they plan on doing this through an app which they plan to release in September. The app will be called Bison. And obviously, institutions and individuals who are clients of the bank will be able to trade cryptocurrency through this. Obviously, with this taking place, it will bring some new money into the market and maybe some people will experiment with cryptocurrencies that haven't done before. So guys, the takeaway from the news really is in the months going ahead, it's highly likely that institutional money will come into play. We see big companies like Coinbase anticipating this ahead of time and lining up their products and offering. We'll be interested to see in the coming weeks or coming days even what happens with the markets, as at the moment you would be expecting them to react extremely positive to the constant news which is coming out along with the consensus taking place in New York. So when some of this goes away, it'll be interesting to see what happens. That's all from me, guys. If you like this episode, please like and subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.